How to use ChatGPT Search. Hey everyone, in this quick video I show you how to use ChatGPT Search to get quick answers, summaries and ideas on almost any topic. Let's get right into it. First, open your web browser and go to chat.openai.com. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up for free and log in. Once you're logged in, you'll see the ChatGPT interface. In the chat box at the bottom, you can type in any questions or topics you're interested in. For example, you could type, "Explain climate change in simple terms," and ChatGPT will give you a detailed, easy to understand answer. You can use follow-up questions, as you can keep the conversation going by asking them. If the answer isn't complete or you want more information, type something like, "Tell me more about the causes," and ChatGPT will provide additional details. Remember that the more details you give in the prompt, the more detailed the answer ChatGPT will give you. That ChatGPT can handle a variety of tasks. You can ask it to summarize articles, generate ideas for projects, explain technical concepts, or even write scripts. You can type in things like, "Summarize the top trends in tech," or write a simple recipe for spaghetti bolognese. If you want quick access to ChatGPT while browsing, consider adding it to Google Chrome as a custom search engine, and we already have a video on this channel showing you how to do that. And that's it. Now you know how to use ChatGPT Search to get fast answers and helpful information on anything you need. If this tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.